Okay, hi guys. I'm not sure if you can see me right because my curtain's getting in the way. I found a different spot in my room where I can record. Yay! Today, out of random, even though I already made a video, I'm going to make another video about what is in my purse. This is my purse. I actually just got it. I like it a lot. So let's go with the first thing. First thing is my keys. My wonderful keys here. There. That's it. Back here. I have my phone. I actually don't use this phone anymore. It's off right now. But when I do use it, it's on, and because I don't use it, it's because it's broken in the front, but I can still read. And here is all white. It's broken. I can't see shit. Go inside my purse. My purse has me right here. First thing is my wallet. My Batman wallet with coins in it. Next thing is my gel liner. And since I just got this purse, I don't really have much in it. That's all I have. I would have more things in it, but I have not found anything to really carry around with me or stuff. But I fell in love with this bag when I went into the store, and I wasn't really technically looking for a purse, but I found one and I fell in love with it, and this is it. It's magnetic thingy. I like it. It's cute. It's best part about it is I don't like short you know, this thing. So I have it. I like it very long, and since I don't carry much at the moment because I'm not a person to carry much, it's small, it's adorable, so I choose this one. I guess that's all for today. I will make a video tomorrow. I'm making daily vlogs because I am in the summer and I only have 1 month left of summer vacation before I go back to school. So I'll just keep you guys updated till my day of school. I will continue doing daily vlogs even though I am in school. But once I start working, I'm not going to be able to. So if I don't make vlogs every single day, you already know. So see you guys later.